Bismillah. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to configure this printer, RICO IM C4500LT, on how to install a driver, change language or change the display language from other language, let's say from Arabic to English, from Chinese to English, and many others, and how to install drivers, and how to configure or put IP address, version 4, subnet mask, and gateway address. And at the same time, how to install driver to our laptop, or how to connect this printer to our laptop using a Wi-Fi network or LAN network. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is the view of Ricoh printer. This is a new Xerox copy or photocopy printer, or photocopy machine at the same time printer. No, this is the switch. No, then now this is the panel display. If your printer got standby, this one is black. Just press this one. This is a touchscreen printer. Now, since this printer now is set up in Arabic language, now we're going to change into English or any language that you have in your country, so you can easily uh, change to your own language, or particularly English language. Now it's very easy. Just tap this home button. Okay, after that, just tap this or left arrow. Then just simply click this or tap this one, language. Okay, after that, just tap and then change any language you want: English, Espanol, Norse, French, Italiano, Netherlands, any language, Chinese. In my case, I'm going to use international language, which is English. Okay, then after that, just uh, tap this one. Okay, now we're going to teach you on how to, I'm going to teach you now how to configure network. So first, just go to home again, then tap right arrow or left arrow, then tap settings. Then after that, tap system settings, this one. Then after that, just tap network interface. Okay. Then if you are still using IP address IP version 4 or FE4, just tap this one. If you are now using the new IP address version IP version 6, IP version 6, so tap this one. Since I'm still using IP version 4, so I'm going to tap this one. After that, tap IP address or IP address or IP version 4 address configuration. Tap this one. Then just tap IP address here. Tap your IP address. If you want to change this one, in my case, I'm going to use 10.20.0.9. Then my subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. Okay, and this MAC address is the built-in. This is the machine MAC address. How to obtain DHCP. So don't check this how to obtain DHCP because this is a manual. I'm going to use this one as static or IP address. Or going to tap select. I'm going to select specify, because if you're going to tap how to obtain this DHCP, this IP address will change automatically by the machine. So I'm going to tap specify. After that, tap OK. Then IP address gateway. So this is the IP version for gateway address. Then the IP address also, you can also ask for him the available IP address in the network. He will give you the available IP address. You can put it here, and also the subnet mask. Okay. Make sure that your computer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Okay. Then after that, just open, go to run, click here, right click start menu, then click run, then tap cmd. Okay, then type wifi config. Okay, this is now the IP address on this computer. This is now the subnet mask 255.255.252.0, and default gateway is 10.20.104.1. Okay, this is the gateway for this network. Now the gateway of the network and the printer is different, because this one is the access point only and not the LAN network. But still we can ping. Just type ping, then the 20.0.9. This is the IP address, or the IP version for address, the RICO printer, which I configured a while ago. Okay. Now, since that the network is connected to the printer, now we're going to download the driver for this RICO Xerox or photocopy machine at the same time printer. Just open Google Chrome, then type RICO IM C4500 C4500LT driver. Okay, so 05 Z IM C4500 is the same with C4500LT. That is the same driver. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, automatic your OS means it is automatically detected the OS operating system that is installed in your computer or laptop. This is universal driver for this version of RICO IM C4500, C5500, or C6000. Now select driver language, so just I'm going to select English. Then you can select this one, PCL6 driver, or PCL6 version 4 driver for universal front. So I'm going to select this one, universal front, tap download. Just tap download and check your files. Okay, wait. I'm going to wait while the loading is in progress. Okay, now the loading is done. So tap or click show in folder, and this is now the driver. Now we're going to extract this one. Just right click and use your WinZip or WinRAR software. Just right click and tap extract files, because this one is the zip files. Okay. Okay, this is now the extracted files. Open, and then we're going to tap this one, RV_setup. We're going to click this one, then click yes. Okay, after that, click agree and go to the next. Then if you're using USB cable connected to the printer, use this one. Since that we are going to install using network through Wi-Fi or through LAN, so we're going to use this one. So the IP address configured on that particular machine is 10.20.0.9. So meaning upon searching, this driver cannot automatically detect the IP address on that machine, because we are in the different network, because we are using access point network, not on the LAN network. And that printer is connected over the LAN network, but still it was connected. Since that not automatically detected here, so we're going to click here, click if cannot find the device. Then we're going to manually insert the IP address. Then specify a device IP address, then click next. Then we're going to type the IP address, which is 10.20 20.0.9. So this is the IP address that we are going that was configured or inserted to that machine, 10.20.0.9. Okay, after that one, just tap search or manually enter in the setting. Click manually enter the setting and start search. Okay, so after clicking the search, now the printers appear here. Okay, then click next. This is now, let's leave this one. Click next. Okay, just wait while installation of the driver is in progress. Okay, install device software manager. So just click next, and then just click finish. Just click finish. Okay, done. Now let's check the driver installation. Go to control panel. We're going to change category by view by category. Then we're going to click here hardware and sound. Just click view device and printer. Now we're going to click printer and scanner, and here click printer properties, then click preferences, okay. Since that you're only using A4 paper and A3, so I'm going to check documents to, I'm going to change here the document size to A4, then click apply and okay. Okay, now we're going to make a print test page. Okay, so let's go to the machine again and observe if the print test is working. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.